We liked the fact that it was a local hospital, that we didn't have to drive so far in case there would be some emergency. And we had a great experience there with our first birth there, so we just continued to go back. I think that the staff there was absolutely wonderful. A lot of them were there for all 6 of the kids' birth, so it was nice to have the continuity with all of the staff there.
I was really pleased that I had the option to have my treatment close to home. When you think about everything that's involved with dealing with something as serious as cancer, being able to have that treatment so close to home was very much made that process, that decision making, a lot easier.
I think a mom would like doctoring in Brookings because it's local. You can do all your appointments here. You don't have to go to Sioux Falls or wherever else you choose to do all those appointments and take off work, those things. We just liked the care that seemed friendly, and you knew the people that were coming in your room all the time.
I have both of my children at Brookings Health System, and I chose Brookings Health System because it's close to where I live. I live here in Brookings. It's a small hospital, and I like that you can invite your family to come and they're not going to get lost in a large hospital. I also appreciate that you get lots of personalized attention, and something that was important to me too was to have my own doctor deliver.
If doctors are coming to doctor here, people should know that they can have an option to use the Brookings Health System. It was nice to be able to have family stop in, and they didn't have to travel all the way south. It was convenience.
The best part about delivering a baby at the Brookings Health System is I was able to doctor with Dr. Goodwagen, who is a local OBGYN doctor. And I doctored with him my entire pregnancy, and then he was here for delivery. He stayed overnight and made sure, because he kept telling me the second one is going to go fast, and so I want to be here.
I had recently had another procedure done in Sioux Falls, and it was 2 trips to Sioux Falls a couple times a week for a couple weeks there, and I was done with that. One night I was feeling very weird, and she had given me a list of symptoms to watch, and I had called the emergency room because it was late the night before Thanksgiving, and so I called the emergency room, and they said, well, let's call Dr. Wiedewine and we'll call you back. And I think I had a phone call within 10 minutes, and I was very impressed with that because it was the night before a holiday, and she was there to kind of help me through that.
Yes, I would recommend Brookings, and I have done so to my colleagues and friends and told them about my experience and how positive it was. So I wouldn't have any qualms about coming back into Brookings for surgery for myself. And it's only 3 blocks down the street from my house, so.
I would definitely recommend and have recommended Brookings Health System for moms who are going to have babies. Reasons being, it's local, as far as if you live in the surrounding area or in Brookings. Another reason is that the staff there is wonderful, and they make you feel comfortable, and they don't have no worries, is basically what they make you feel like. I know I'm gonna get the same doctor that I've doctored through the whole pregnancy with in my delivery. So that for me is a very big thing. And so as far as any other mom, those are 3 big reasons why I chose Brookings Health System. Can't talk enough about them. I tell everybody why. I always tell people, why go out of the city when you have such a great place